Hi friends, so very excited to announce the next edition of the bootcamp targeting November INICT 2025. First of all, what is the bootcamp? So this is an offline program that we have at Vidya Jeevan in Greater Noida, Delhi. So we have students over and we'll do a crash course of all 19 subjects along with test and discussion. So I'll just take you through the program and the details for those of you who don't know what this is. First of all, the idea behind the bootcamp is a lot of you are very hardworking. You have a lot of fire within you that we want to give our best, but you are looking for a direction that kya padna hai, kaise padna hai. So this is a very nice structure that enables you to study on your own with just that little nudge that I will give you and Ravi will give you and Apur sir will give you, right? So there's a team that is involved and I'll be taking care of your academic aspect, but there is a lot of other things, as you start preparing, you will realize that it's not just about the content. There are a lot of other things which come into play. How do you solve MCQs? What is your pattern of mistakes? How do you rectify that? So all of those detailed analysis, brainstorming and mentorship basically is what is available at this bootcamp. So we work with you in detail and in depth and try to find out, how do you get the best out of your effort. So that is what we are trying to do. The swimmer here is just to show you an example that, you may keep swimming, you may put in all your effort, but unless you have a direction, you're not going to go anywhere, right? So that's what we are trying to provide here, is give you a structured plan and an environment, very importantly, infrastructure, so that everything else is taken care of. All you do is show up. There are a lot of students like you who are studying. That gives you that push, that gives you that motivation that all right, I have to study. They are all in the same boat as me and we all improve simultaneously. So there's a lot of positivity in this process. It's not a negative competition. It's I rise up, everybody rises up with me, right? So that is what is the motto, that everybody rises up together with each other, helping each other out, because all of you are in the same journey, right? Otherwise NEET PG preparation is a very isolating experience. For 1 year, you are in that adult child midway transition and you are trying to wonder, what do I have to do? So basically this is something where you have your reality intact, you are preparing well, and there's a lot of positivity to this whole isolating process otherwise. So that is the idea of the bootcamp. Taking you to the specifics now. So this is what Vidya Jeevan looks like. So this is beautiful campus. We'll share detailed pictures with you as well of the previous bootcamp. You can ask the feedback from the students who've been a part of it for the last 1 year. So this is what the campus looks like from the outside. The beautiful cafeteria, and I'm not overstating the beauty of it. It's a very pleasant experience to just sit here, study, eat, so this is the cafeteria here, this is the reception, and this is the highlight, right? So those of you who opt for the self-study plan as well, you get these cubicles with a computer and internet access, so that you can give as many tests as you want, give your grand tests, study, utilize the computer for your academic use as much as possible. This gives you an environment of testing like nowhere else. So this is what I feel is the highlight. This is where you'll be giving your TNDs that I'll be taking for you. So we'll be having regular tests and we'll discuss them. So you'll give these tests in this environment. You will give so many tests that in the end, when you actually go for your INICT, you will feel like it was just another Vidya Jeevan test, right? That is the feedback that we have gotten from most of our students, and that is the real victory, that you should feel that, okay, this is something I've done a lot of times before. At least that anxiety aspect of things is taken care of. How in phobia, there is a treatment. What is the treatment of choice of phobia? It is systematic desensitization. I know so many students who are just scared of that exam experience. So that's what we are trying to rectify. You give so many tests that day does not seem different, and that anxiety aspect is completely taken care of, so that all you have to do is focus your mind on the question and your nerves are not hindering that. So that is what this does. Plus daily, if you're studying here, if you attempt tests on this computer regularly, be true to yourself, alright. Every week I have to give one grand test on this computer like it's my actual exam, you know. So we have our test, plus if you give you know, these tests on this computer, that also gives you an experience. Plus those of you who opt for the self-study facility, daily we will be giving you a custom module which will be curated by me, and you can solve that, right? So depending on the weekly subjects that we are doing, you'll get a custom module daily that you attempt as if it's a mini test that you are getting, right? So daily you are having that experience of giving a mini exam, if not a major exam, right? So that's what we are going to be doing here. So that is the main highlight, and this is where I shall be teaching you. It's a classroom or an auditorium, whatever you like to call it. The fields are definitely classroom-like. So you feel free to ask whatever doubt you have, comment you have, right? So it's very interactive. I don't, you know, just come and teach and go like a lecturer. It's a very didactic, but it's also basically very interactive on both fronts, right? So feel free to ask whatever doubts you have in the class. So this is what the schedule looks like. So I'm targeting November INICET right now. So this is where we start from 31st of August. So that is what is your orientation. So we meet and we orient you to the facilities, amenities, which will be detailed by Ravi, Dr. Ravi Sharma, who's my husband, Ravi. So basically you have orientation on 31st, where we'll take you through, you know, the plan and everything, how to best utilize the boot camp. Then we start from the next day itself, right? So 1st of September we start. Now I have designed a weekly plan for you. So every week we tackle 2 to 3 subjects. If there is a big subject, we have a shorter one along with it. If it's a medium sized subject, we have 3 subjects, right? So that's how it's a 10-week plan. So this is what you have to now do. Divide your life till November INICET into 10 weeks. So the first week we go through surgery and forensics. So I have one day where I'll be doing a capsule of that subject, right? So basically it won't be a very detailed lecture. It will basically be that this is the most important content of surgery. So I'll teach you that, the most important concepts, the most important facts, I teach you that in the class. Same with forensic and same with all subjects, and you have the rest of your days to self-study, right? So you study whatever content that you are following and supplement. So basically the idea is not to teach you everything, but to give you a structure wherein you do self-study. Plus, you know, I guide you and I give you that capsule that, alright, this is what the subject essentially is. Now keep adding layers, alright. So that is how it is. So this is ideal for those of you who have completed your subjects at least once, or those of you who are looking to start. It gives you time to study on your own, and in the end that is what matters. Studying, you know, with a teacher or somebody just teaching you in the classroom and not having time to analyze it, revise it yourself, will not do you benefit at this stage. So that is why this is essentially, you know, going to be a crash course, and I give you a pathway wherein you sit and study and keep solving MCQs, you know, in your time. And then we have a test and discussion. In the test and discussion, we'll have 100 MCQs for the subject-wise test, and these MCQs will be, you know, again, very conceptual, a mixed bag of everything, you know, concepts, facts, and a lot of stuff which I may not have covered in the class, right? So that also acts as an add-on to your content. So that is how, you know, it is more MCQ driven, less theory driven this time. So that is what the plan is. Similarly, week 2 we have PSM Opthal, week 3 OBGYN. So this gives you a very good structure to devise your own content, and, you know, I give you that pathway. Alright, so this is what we are going to do week 6, week 7, week 8. So this is what the timetable looks like. Following this, we will have 3 INICET mock GTs, full-length GTs that we will then discuss, right? So this is the timetable. I feel more than the teaching, it's going to be test and discussion, which is going to be really important. That is what the feedback has been for all of our boot camps so far, that the test and discussions are the game changer, because that helps you think, you know, because end of the day, it's an MCQ exam. No matter how much theory you do, if you don't know how to pick up that clue, that buzzword, and find the answer. What is the thought process that is wrong in you, that is not taking you to the answer? Because end of the day, 4 options answer is one of them, right? It's not going to come from your book. It's going to come from the 4 options that are there in front of you. How do you approach questions is the biggest skill that probably I can help you with, right? So that is what the target is. More MCQs, theory also, but just enough theory. So that's what I will also teach you along the way, how to best study. So you are going to be a part of, the bootcamp family, and that's what it is. We are available for whatever brainstorming that needs to be done to, improve your scores, to see what pattern of mistakes you are doing. So that is what we really give our time to, and we work hard to achieve, right? So that is what the timetable looks like. So there are 2 programs. The first one is all of these classes along with the self-study facility, of the cubicles. So you basically find your accommodation around Vidya Jeevan. There are a lot of places. We don't really advertise any because we are not collaborating with anybody. But Sharda University is very close to our campus. So there are a lot of PGs around the campus, and now we've had almost 3 boot camps, till that time, till now. So in this campus, so that's why you can just ask your seniors or, put it out on social media, and they will suggest you good accommodations. And our helpline also can help you with some accommodation ideas, but we will not, collaborate with anybody. So that is basically what my idea for accommodation would be, that just find out from people who have, or students who have already stayed at a boot camp, and they would be able to best give you, the feedback. So that is what it is. So you stay in a PG or a hostel, right? And you come from the morning till the night. You stay in the campus. You study in the cubicles. There is a lot of space in the campus to move around and also, study. So you will not feel claustrophobic at all. Attend the classes, attend the tests, attend the discussion, right? So this gives you a complete timeline for 10 weeks. For those of you who, let's say, belong to Delhi and you are like, I want to study at home and I don't want the self-study cubicle, but I do want the classes. For them, we have another option that you don't take the cubicles. You will get all of the classes, the revision classes, TNDs, INIGTs, and obviously you'll get time with all 3 of us. Just the cubicle part would be missing, right? So and the mini test would be missing. So those are the 2 things which are the difference here. Basically, the campus facility of the cubicles is the difference between the 2. The fees for this would be 35K for the entire duration, whereas this would be 24K for the entire duration. You can register on Cerebellum Academy website, right? You will find bootcamp under it. And yeah, that's about the plan here. We will begin with the registrations from tomorrow. All right. So this is what the bootcamp is. It's basically to give you a structure. I've said that word a lot of times in this talk. So it gives you a weekly plan to stay on track and revise your subjects. And I give you the most important topics, most expected questions, the most expected topics along with it. And that's what we do. We ace INICET November together. So all the best. I'll see you all soon.
Hi everyone. Today I am here to talk about a very special place which we have built for the medical students all over the country and abroad. And that place is the Vidya Jeevan Experience Center. Why is this place called as an experience center? Is because it was built on ideology like none other. It was built with a vision that when any medical student goes through a phase of preparation, at some time that student feels lost. Lost because of preparation, anxiety, boredom, burnout, fatigue, or lack of motivation. Along with this, many students face that they lack mentorship, they lack guidance, and they are confused in the abundance of the excess of knowledge which is available to them. So, keeping in mind this vision that someday one student will need that helping hand, will need that hand holding, we built an experience center so that students can be themselves. They can read, learn, collaborate with each other and evolve as an individual and prepare just not for an exam but for a life as a whole, so that they are brimming with that positivity inside them. So, when this place took genesis 3 years back with the efforts of Dr. Apoor Mehra, he had come to me with an idea that we have to build something totally unique. At that time, I was not sure what we are actually trying to build. But as days passed and we kept on putting our efforts, based on thousands of messages we received over the last 10 years from various aspirants during their preparation, we realized that it is not the content, it is not the knowledge. It is not just what is the right material to prepare, but it is the right guidance, the mentorship, the hand holding during tough phases. Someone to listen to you, someone to wipe your tears, someone to hold your hand when you are scared. All that matters more than the knowledge itself. Because after all, it's not a knowledge game, it's a performance game. And it was built on a philosophy, like you say to a friend, "Tu kar, main hoon." So, this facility is not just a facility for teaching. It is a facility for self-study. It is a facility for collaboration. It is a facility for enjoyment also. So to start with, this facility has a very good auditorium where you will be taught by Dr. Zainab Vora with her charismatic style, and I am sure she is currently the best teacher of this country, and I believe that she will give her 200% when she is teaching you in this boot camp. Apart from this, we have a dedicated simulation place, which is a dedicated CBT center, which is a computer-based testing center, where we train individuals to perform under pressure like a real exam. So when you are giving your tests and discussions in boot camp, you will have to pass through that crucible, that heat, that pressure, which we will face in the actual exam. And your exams will be conducted on an inbuilt platform of Vidya Jeevan, which will simulate the real exam in pressure, in content, as well as the intent, as well as the result you will get. So we have different CBT areas. We have 3 dedicated CBT areas where students are even allotted desktops for self-study. So on these desktops, you will be provided with daily mini tests where you will cover high yield topics for INI and NEET, and it will help you stay abreast with your preparation. So keeping on that philosophy of freedom, we give freedom to students so that they can read, study and learn at their own will. Apart from this, we made sure what matters most is your health during the phase of preparation. And to take care of your health, we made sure that we have one of the best cafeterias for medicos in this country, which we have spent our heart and soul making. So to help you with your food, in our basement, we have a cafeteria with a lovely vibe and an outdoor seating as well. And on the ground floor, we have a bakery by the name Tikda. The best thing about our cafeteria is that its vibe and its environment and interiors are so beautiful that you would love to do self-study or group study there. Apart from this, our building is an architectural masterpiece, and we have all the facilities starting from an outdoor cafeteria, a beautiful garden where you can take a stroll around it. Our garden area has a beautiful fountain, what we love to call as the fountain of hope. And in the darkness of night, it will sparkle a sense of hope in you. So we'll make sure while you are here, you feel it is your home. We'll take care of you in whatever way is possible, and we'll give you the freedom to do what you want to do, the way you want to do. I always tell students, when their juniors ask you, what is actually Vidya Jeevan Experience Center? My answer to that is, you have to be there to feel the pulse of it. I cannot put it in words, so I request you come there and feel and enjoy it. Thank you.
Hi friends, when you look at this word boot camp, it actually means combination of 2 important words. One is knowledge and second is ability or capability. If you look at Indian entrance exams, which happens to be one of the toughest in the world, I believe that what Dr. Zainab and Dr. Ravi are creating here at Vidya Jeevan is something different. Dr. Zainab at one end makes sure that he positively motivates the student by action, because the best motivation is action. So she makes sure the students are glued to academics along with a positive environment and her bubbly way of teaching you. She keeps you engaged. When you look at this year's exams after the boot camp started, the INI CET, the FMG and the NEET, students have all the praise for her teaching, BTR lectures, and specifically the boot camp, because they feel that in the exam her voice echoes. She's actually telling you this is the answer, mark it. And that's the role of a teacher. Teacher has to make things very simple, which she does, and she has to see that it is reproducible, which she does. I think that 100 by 100 marks to Dr. Zainab's teaching for that. It's also important that she herself leads by an example. Whatever may happen, she always show up. This is what her role is. Going beyond, you can dream, but those dreams have to come into action. They have to become a reality. And for that, you need people to structure things. And that's what Dr. Ravi Sharma has beautifully done. He has transformed an area into an experience center. That atmosphere is nostalgic for the people who have completed their courses. The videos and the photographs of Vidya Jeevan that they share, when you see them, right, it's just wonderful. He has converted this difficult journey, as I call it, a little pain in that, into something which is memorable. You have to understand, you're not trying to make people complacent. What you're trying to do is develop their anchors and their grooves to get ready for a better climb. And here comes the point. Dr. Ravi Sharma is not trying to dictate that this is the way to prepare, but what he does is he's spending time with the students. Personalized mentorship, so that you have your own way and he has a way to chisel it out to make it better, make it sharper. And that's what the mentor does. These two individuals are able to do what they're doing because they have crossed the bridge. Dr. Ravi, Rank 2 AIIMS November 2014. Dr. Zainab Vora, NIMHANS Rank 1 2015. Rank 1 AIIMS May 2015. When you look at their ranks, you might have a feeling that they are the people who already got brilliant brains to crack the examination. But trust me, they are making a difference to all the students coming from all the colleges. They are able to go to the grassroots level of the student to improve his level. You can't talk to anybody right from where you are. To communicate with a person, you have to actually go at the level where that person is. And that is what Zainab and Ravi are able to convey beautifully to the students. Her teaching goes from the basics and gradually builds up. Ravi understands the basic area the problem exists, and he is not somebody who's going to discuss the problem. He has a problem solving approach. So this is what Zainab wrote, for Vidya Jeevan as an experience center, that कहानी तुम्हारी है, तो तुम्हारी जो कोशिश है उस कहानी के लिए, सो कहानी तुम्हारी है, कमाल लिखना, right? What she has done along with Ravi and the entire team of Vidya Jeevan, entire team of Cerebellum, the senior teachers of Cerebellum with their blessings, right? She has written a beautiful story. She has worked hard towards it. Ravi has worked hard towards it. And I believe that they have scripted a beautiful story. So the line that she wrote is true. कहानी इन दोनों की है, and सच में अभी तक तो इन्होंने कमाल करके दिखाया और कमाल ही लिखा है. So see you on 31st August 2025. With open hand, we wait to welcome you at Vidya Jeevan for the BTR Boot Camp to improve your knowledge and the capabilities. Thank you very much.